music entirely. Okay. So this is Jump Pause, and we're going outside. If my phone falls, I'm gonna cry. Why is this not very? That's probably why. Here we go. I'm just making a skate around the park. See if I can extend this. Oh yeah. Let's keep up. Pockets. Making a YouTube video. So guys, this is my park. Now I don't own it, but this is what I'm doing. I'm thinking maybe I'll go walk in the woods a little bit. Might take a few minutes to get down there though. And force you guys back in a little bit. That way I don't feel all the weight. Here we go. On the road again, nothing but the road again. Now if you guys notice, I don't really have a lot of high-tech stuff to make my videos, which I'm very sorry, but all that costs money. I don't have all that money, so how I've been doing all my videos is either through my tablet or my phone, which is you guys. I really don't have anything exciting for you guys today. I mean, I found myself a stick, and this is what we're doing, and I knew that was coming. About fell. Sad. Dirt. Here we go. Oh, I have sweat coming down already. I gotta be careful about what I hit. Here we are. Wish I could turn around and show you guys, but I can't at the moment. It's a good thing I'm wearing long jeans today. Back there is, if you noticed during some of our videos, we used to do this swing thing. this is the woods back here, basically. And if you notice in another one of my videos, right around here somewhere is where we burnt a lot of photos, which was right there. It's called Bad Memories. There is still glass back here a little bit. I mean, like, there's not really a lot I can show you guys because it's really wet and muggy back here. And I'm gonna get like really hot. As you can see, I'm already sweating. I think it's the stuff that I put in my hair. It's kind of sweating out. There's a little puddle somewhere behind me, a little bit. I'm really sorry that this is all I can show you guys. I'm trying to improve my videos by making them better and more exciting. Like, what's that thing? Like, right behind me. There we go. I'll extend you guys more out. Oh, a tree broke back here. I think it was this way that we used to go to that big, huge ass tree. I mean, if you guys like these kinds of videos where I go nature trailing, I mean, tell me, like, comment on the thing, and I'll go do more stuff like this with the selfie stick. Oh my god, it's like Sweat City back here. Nature trail. Is it this way? What's this way? I wonder if that big ass tree's still here. And it is. Oh my god, okay. I left the longboard back there, which can't leave it back there for long because if someone does come, they will take my board, and that's my only transportation home. Even though I don't live very far from right here. This is mainly like my good side. This is like my weird side. This is like my camera side, but here we go. I don't know why I wore this. It's so hot and I'm wearing jeans. I don't really think a lot of things through. See? All back here. I gotta be careful when I walk backwards now. Well, the tree's still here. It just has stuff revolved around it. See what I mean? Like all that stuff in the back. But we're gonna get a closer look. I haven't been back here since the poop squad has broke up. Shall that boy not be named? Here we are. A little bit. There's more plants than usual, which I need to be careful not to touch because, well, it might be poison ivy and I'll never know. And here it is, you guys. There it is. The big tree that once fell down, and now we're all here except I'm the only one that's here. So, Sean's at school. Oh my god, these things are tall as hell. There's the root of the tree, as I said. I'm gonna go ahead and start walking back, and that will probably be all for today because I have a lot of homework that I have to get done for tomorrow. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys, so that's probably gonna be it. Maybe later today, like I'll talk about something. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna talk about. Oh boy, why is it gotta be so hot? Oh, that's right, I live in Florida. God, I hate that. Like, when you ask somebody, why is it this way or why is it that way, their same answer is always, oh, because you live in Florida. That's Florida for you. I wish it was kind of like more of a scientific, different question than just saying, oh, that's Florida for you. I don't know. That's probably gonna be all today, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. This is Jabba Paws, and I'm like literally in sweat. So I love you guys. You know, soon enough I'll get some more equipment. I'll have my own intro song like Matthew Lush and Sunday and all that good stuff. So don't forget to subscribe if you like it, but a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this, comment down below. Jabba Paws out.